And I don't want that bum car that you gave me last time, the one with the bad wheel and how you set the brakes up on it so they drag. I'm gonna choose this one because you set this one closer to me to dupe me. You thought you had me, didn't you?
I did.
Gotta get up a little earlier than that to beat the kid. We got Chris's AAR Cuda done on time, and I decided it would be really cool if I just loaded it up on our rollback, headed up to Oregon City and delivered it to him in person. Would also give me a chance to rectify the fixed Hot Wheels race from last time I was there. Normally speaking, when we're done with a car, we hand it back to them. It's got keys and ignition. You hit the starter and you drive it down the road.
Beautiful. Hi, Mark.
Hey, buddy. How are ya?
Great. Looks very nice.
In Chris's case, because we formed a friendship, he asked me if he could put the motor in it and some of the different ornamentation. I had no problem with that. He's a restoration enthusiast. I've seen his other cars. I trust him to finish it right. Time and time again, the Jerdan has come through absolutely one of the best investments I ever made. Never had any problems with it. It's there every time I hit the key, and it makes what I need to do possible.
So Mark was good enough to bring it back. I was blown away. It's absolutely stunning. Mark picked up the car last season, and it was in very poor condition. It was all there, but just very, very rough, and I knew I couldn't do it on my own. I needed some professional help with it. Yeah, I knew it was a good car, you know, underneath, so this is a second life for it.
This is right now.
I couldn't be happier. Some of the features I like about the car are the vinyl top. I like the rear window louver option. I think those turn out really nice. The rear spoilers are cool on these cars. To me, it kind of looks like a jet fighter with that hood and that rear spoiler. And I'm eager to put the side exhaust on. They had the AARs and Trans Am Challengers had side exhausts that exited in front of the rear wheels with a big chrome tip. And that was kind of a nice feature that only came on those cars.
The fact is, I formed a friendship with Chris, and that's awesome, but one of my biggest agendas is to take another shot at the title on the Hot Wheels track. So you remember the deal, though. I did my part. I got the car done, right? So you owe me a rematch at the Hot Wheels.
You want a rematch?
I want a rematch. And I don't want that bum car that you gave me last time, the one with the bad wheel and how you set the brakes up on it so they drag so you have a little van. I want it fair, because I think with my lightning cat reflexes.
Have you been practicing?
Sir? So you got two Challengers, two 71s.
Two identical 71 Challenger Hemi cars.
Well, they're both Shakers now. You sure mine's a Hemi?
Well, it might be, it might not be. So
yeah, mine might be a 340 and you got the Hemi, I see. Okay,
we'll
that's
never
fine.
know.
That's fine.
But you can choose.
Okay.
Yeah, choose which one you like.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this one because you set this one closer to me to dupe me.
Oh, clever. All right. A coin toss to see who gets lane choice.
Heads.
It is heads.
Of course it is. This is my day, I told you.
I red lighted. All right, Mark's up one.
Okay, all right. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. That's one. Oh. Well, hello, ladies. What happened there?
You called me on the 340 Challenger.
I did. You
Yeah.
thought you had me, didn't you?
I did.
Gotta get up a little earlier than that to beat the kid. Did I red light?
That was a green light.
Huh.
Wow, Mark, I'm impressed.
Huh.
Today is your day.
Beat Chris at his own track, but last time that I was up here, you know, he probably took advantage of the fact that I didn't have a lot of experience at it, and I kind of got beat. But this time I pummeled him pretty bad. Like, the doors don't come off the cars, but the one was kind of almost blown open from the last couple races, so.
I cannot beat you today.
Huh. Huh.
Well done.
Thank you, my friend. You know, as I get ready to head out of here, I realize that we've not only brought another Chrysler back from the dead and give it a new shot at life, but we forged a good friendship with Chris and Sue. So, you know, this is, I'm doing what I love, and I'm passionate about it, and I think that's coming through every single time.